to my channel. Welcome back home to my subscribers. Everybody that's new, come on through guys, welcome. So on today's video I wanted to do a go-to glam look. Like, yeah, everybody needs a go-to daytime glam look. Yeah, I did this. I hope you like it. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Please give us a comment, tell us what you think, and if you're new, please do subscribe so that you can come back for more lovely videos. So as for now, I will see you later guys. Okay, so to start off with, I've already moisturized my face, and so now I'm going to moisturize my lips using Lipsoul's Orange Blossom Lip Balm. And then now I'm going to prime my face, and for that I'm going to use Revolution's Pro Prime. And now I'm going to put on my foundation, and for that I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Full Filter Foundation in the shade Mocha. God, I hate putting makeup on the back of my hand, man. I always forget that I have it there, and it becomes a problem later. And today, I think, actually, I'm going to put it on my face using my finger. Then I'm going to blend it into place using my beauty blender. See, with putting my foundation on with the beauty blender, sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's a miss. Sometimes it comes out so horrible. And then other times my skin looks amazing when I've put it on with a beauty blender. So I don't really know what's gonna happen. Okay, today I like the way it looks with using a beauty blender. Don't mind the shade, just spray for me. Just spray for me. And I struggle with foundation simply because my chest is lighter than my face, but my face is lighter than my neck. So I have like 3 different shades going on, and we never know where to match it, what to do with it. It's all a mess. I deserve to be happy. But don't worry, we will fix it. It's fine. I got this. So now I'm going to highlight and contour. Firstly, I'm going to highlight, and I'm going to use the Nars Creamy... I'm going to use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Amande. The only thing that annoys me is that you have to keep putting the little thing back in there because not enough product comes out. And then I'm going to put, see, already out, like, and then down the bridge of my nose, my cupid bow, and then just a small bit on my chin because I don't like highlighting there too much. I'm gonna blend that out with a damp beauty blender. Then I'm gonna make my way up my face. Then I just dab some residue, whatever's left on there from that side, underneath here. And I normally work my way from the outside and blend my way in first, and then I work it back out. Then I'm going to quickly blend LA Girl's Toffee onto my eyelids. Then I blend it down on top of Amande as well, just to add some brightness right there. Then now I'm going to set all that in place using Beauty Bakery's Flower Powder in yellow. I've just bought this, so this is not like part of my actual like every single time routine. Actually my first time using this. I'm going to use the other side of my beauty blender and just pat that into place. Normally I use Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder, but I wanted to try something more yellow. Then I'm going to focus a lot of it on my forehead because I don't need that place, like lighting it up wherever I'm going to be, and my nose too. And then I'm going to sit around my mouth because I tend to get smile lines. Ooh, this powder feels like when you put it on, it feels like your face is stiffened, like it's really sunk into the makeup. I don't know whether that's a good thing or not yet. I'm just going to put a bit underneath here. Now that I look like a clown, I think it's because there's no eyebrows. I'm gonna brush it all that away, or try. Feels like this ain't gonna move. Now I'm gonna contour, but for contour I've stopped using cream ones because I feel like after a while they start to annoy me and move and they get shiny in those areas and I hate it. I want it to stay a bit more matte, so I'm just using a powder one at the moment, and for that I'm actually using a bronzer, really and truly. It's the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer in ebony bronze, and that's what I've been using recently and it's been good. It's a bit more to the red side, so I have to be careful how much of it I use, but at the same time I like the finish with this much better than I do when I cream contour. Then I'm going to use a small angled brush to get into the nose contour. Then I'm going to go back in with a fluffy brush and just blend those lines out. And then now we're going to apply our blusher, and for the blusher I'm going to use Milani's Baked Blush in the shade, in the color Rose D'Oro? One of those, but it's like this really pretty rose goldy, peachy, juicy, fantastic color. I haven't used it before, by the way. It's so subtle, but it's still there. I hate like powerful, bright, in your face blusher. I can't do it. I just can't. I just don't. I don't have the energy for it. This is like pink but rose gold, but delicious. Now I'm gonna highlight, of course, and I've really been enjoying Urban Decay Naked. That's an Illuminati. Urban Decay's Lit. Like, I've been using it quite a few times. Like, I was reminded of its beauty just a couple of days ago, and I was like, I missed you. So I'm gonna use Lit. And now that we're done with the face, I'm now going to set it all in place with Revolution's Pro Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. We're moving on to the eyes, and to start off with, I'm going to do my brows. I've been looking like a ghost all this time. I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. I'm using a flat angled brush. Where am I going without brushing them into place? Where am I going? Where you headed, Maureen? Where you going? Where you going, sis? I'm just gonna quickly clean up underneath my brows because they're a bit harsh right now. So I'm just gonna clean it up with some Toffee. Then I'm gonna slightly highlight right down the brow bone using the same highlighter that I used earlier. So now I'm going to move on to do my eyeshadow. I'm going to use like literally 3 colours, so it's not that much. And I'm going to use the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to start off with this colour right here, which is called Nana. And I'm going to use it as the transition colour. Now I'm going to do a quick little semi-cut crease using Toffee yet again. But it won't be such a strong cut crease, it's just like a simple cut crease. Then I won't even set that with a powder, I'm just going to go straight in with the eyeshadow that I want on there. This one here, which is called Baruno. It's called Barono. Everybody that's African is going to be like, I can just say it. I'm just going to pack that on. I didn't even set it. I want it to really catch onto there. So I'm just going to pack it on top of that. This is not the brush. That was not the brush for it. Don't know why I even bothered to cut crease. Like, it's all just blended into one. Yay. Then right on the outer corner of the eye, I'm gonna use the last color, which is this one here, and it's called Decay. And then I'm gonna blend that into the crease just ever so slightly to give it some depth. And that is it. So I'm gonna do that on the other eye as well, and I'll be right back. Then for the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna use Makeup Forever's Star Powder. You know she had to make an appearance today. You know, like there's no question about it. She had to come. Then for my eyeliner, I'm gonna use this Gigi Hadid East Coast Black Liquid Eyeliner. There was really no need for that cut crease, was there? There was really no point in wasting my time. Oh. I am going to now move on to my lips, and for my lips, I'm really stuck. This NYX Current Lip Liner, and I don't know whether I want to use that or should just stick with Creature, because I know Creature will always have my back, no matter the season, no matter the time or day, no matter the haters, no matter the hairline loss or anything, it is here for me, okay? So I don't know whether to. I'll give Current a go. It ain't no Creature, but I mean it'll do. What's more better than more better? Yes! I haven't used this in so long. It's like my favorite go-to lip. Like, I've been trying it with the nude lips recently, and I'm just not a nude lip girl. I'm not. I need color on my lips at all times. I don't even care when. I don't care. So I'm bringing back the treasure. If you can find me a pink that looks better than this on me, I don't know what I'll do. Like, it doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. Come on. We just need to pay some respect. It's just this happiness. Oh, I need to get some earrings on. Go out, color days. Just you could literally end it here, but if we're talking about everyday glam, did we say glam? Because if I hear glam, there has to be some lashes. I hate lashes, but there has to be some lashes. So for the lashes, I'm using these ones here from Primark. Is it SoSu? I don't care. They're Glam Lash Collection lashes. It says Dubai, I don't know what's the relevance. But yeah, they're like £5, but they're reusable, so it's okay. We can forgive. So that's one eye, and then I'm gonna do the other one off camera. I'm gonna go ahead now and do my hair, and I'll be right back to you. So that's it from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.